So, there's been this viral hack going around the internet lately that using a military technique, you can fall asleep in 2 minutes. So, let's see if that's true today. I'm going to guide you through this a little bit more than 2 minute meditation, and we will see if it works for you. And then I'm just going to keep going a little longer in case you haven't been able to fall asleep to try to encourage your brain and your body to relax. So let's find a comfortable place where you can lay down and fall asleep. Anywhere that's very comfortable for you, try to get comfortable. And once you do, let's go ahead and close your eyes and we'll get started. So first, let's take a couple deep breaths. Go ahead and breathe in through your nose as much as possible. And exhale, sigh it out the mouth. And let's do that one more time. A big inhale through the nose. And a long exhale out the mouth. Releasing any tension, any stress from the day. So let your breath become comfortable and relaxed for you. Maybe starting to smooth out the breath, the inhales and the exhales. And now let's start. So bring your attention and awareness to your jaw, and let's relax the jaw. Try to relax the corners of the mouth. No effort. Bring your awareness to the eyeballs. Eyes are closed. You might even gaze down with your eyes closed for just a moment and then relax your eyes. Feel your eyelids become heavy, so heavy and relaxed. And now take your attention to your neck and shoulders, dropping the shoulders, trying to relax those muscles of the neck. And then the awareness goes down the body to the hips and legs, letting the hips and legs be very heavy and relaxed, all the way to the tiptoes. All right, so let's keep the mind on the breath. With each inhale, feel the relaxation come from the toes up to the crown of the head. And on your exhale, feel the relaxation come from the head all the way down, the face, the shoulders, the arms, all the way down the torso. Belly is soft. Hips relax. All the big muscles of the legs, all the way down to the feet and the toes. So now let's start to envision. I like to envision numbers in whatever font comes up for you. I like bubble letters sometimes. So we'll start to envision numbers from 99 all the way down to 1. But you might not even get all the way to 1. So start to envision the number 99. Maybe inhale 99 and exhale 99. Inhale 98 and exhale 98. Inhale 97 and exhale 97. Breathe in 96 and breathe out 96. And keep going, concentrating on just the breath and the numbers. Until you eventually drift off into a peaceful, relaxing sleep.